Hi guys, my name is Katrina, also known as Carolina Curls. Welcome back to my channel if you are an old-time subscriber, and welcome to my channel if you are new here. I really thank you for clicking on this video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys what I received in January's Curlbox. So if you are interested to see all the products that I received, then all you have to do is just keep watching. So for January's Curlbox, it was entitled the Detox Box, and this is what the little flyer looks like. If you're not familiar with what Curlbox is, basically it is a monthly subscription where you can get natural hair products at a really good price, and the price is $25. That includes the shipping and everything. But yeah, so this month the box is called the Detox Box and the products are by OGX. So the first product that I received in the box is the Purifying and Charcoal Detox Shampoo, and it says that it will purify your pretty strands with this clarifying blend infused with coconut, charcoal, and kaolin clay. It busts through, builds up, and rescues dull, congested tresses for a deep clean. No stripping here, and this blend only leaves shine. Now, I will say that my hair did not feel stripped when I rinsed the shampoo out. The shampoo is like very creamy, and when I put it on, it also felt creamy. But you know, like I said, when I rinsed it out, you know, my hair felt cleansed. It wasn't stripped or anything. And I also like the color of the shampoo. It's like this pearl gray color. It's really pretty. The shampoo and all of the other products in the line that I'm going to show you pretty much smell the same. It's kind of like a perfumey scent. Smells really good. So the next product I received is the Purifying and Charcoal Detox Conditioner, and basically it says the same thing as the shampoo does. It purifies your pretty strands with this clarifying blend infused with coconut, charcoal, and kaolin clay. It's to bust through the buildup and rescue dull, congested tresses for a deep clean. No stripping here. This blend only leaves shine. So I thought it was kind of like weird for them to include the same description on the conditioner as they did the shampoo, mainly for the statement that says no stripping here. I mean, if it's a conditioner, it wouldn't strip your hair, right? So yeah, but anyway, so I will say that I didn't feel that this conditioner was very conditioning. I felt that I had to use a good bit for it to absorb into my hair. I wasn't really able to easily finger detangle my hair like I would with other conditioners. It didn't really have lots of slip to it. So I felt that it was a pretty decent conditioner. It wasn't really that moisturizing. So the next product that I received in the Curlbox was the Hydrate and Repair Argan Oil of Morocco Creamy Hair Butter, and it says that you can leave it in or rinse it out, and the product is very creamy and it smells really good. Like I said, all these products smell amazing. It smells like perfume. So on this little label here, one option you can have is to use it as a leave-in treatment for hair mending, and then the second option you can use it in shower as a deep moisture treatment. And this is how it looks inside the label here. So I basically just used it as a leave-in, and this is what is in my hair now. But yeah, I felt that the leave-in absorbed into my hair very nicely. The next product that I received is the Locking and Coconut Curls Finishing Mist. It says that it gives you a soft hold without crunch. It says yes please with coconut oil and jasmine extract. and it says that the curls hold bounce without the stickiness. And this is what that looks like. So yeah, I'm not gonna say I'm not big on finishing mists because I've never really used them before. I may try it just because, you know, they have it included in the box. I don't know, maybe I'll use it. We'll see. And then they also have this Locking in Coconut Curls Air Dry Cream. It says no blow dry needed, strands air dry soft with coconut oil and shea butter. This creamy blend helps curls hold bounce without the crunch. And this is what that product looks like. And you know what? I think I am going to add the cream to it. And I'm going to be using the Goddess Curls Botanical Jelly by the Curls brand. It says that it's a frizz-fighting botanical holding gel that is formulated with certified organic mango and shea butter and plumeria flower extract. It says it's proven to revitalize damaged hair and adds moisture. And this is what that looks like. And I've had this product for a while and I haven't used it. So if you can see how it's moving at the top, it looks like it's a pretty like loose, watery consistency. So yeah, I already have the leave-in in my hair because I applied it in the shower. And so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and take my hair down. I'm going to apply the air dry cream, and I am going to go in with the Curls jelly here to start. that my hair is going to be more voluminous and not like it's gonna probably look like maybe second day hair or third day hair, because usually when I apply like a gel or some of the custards, like my hair is really like, don't know how to say it, but it's more confined, I guess you could say. Looks really good. So yeah, I just wanted to come back on here and show you guys how my hair looked at the end of day one. My hair has gotten a little bigger and voluminous as I've gone through the day, and like this is day one hair. Usually my hair is, you know, much more like, you know, like confined or not as big as this on day one. So I will say that my hair is soft. It does have movement to it, and I mean, I'm really not mad at, you know, the look that I have on, you know, day one using this jelly versus, you know, the times that I use like the custards and the gels. So yeah, I think that the creamy hair butter and this little jelly here are pretty good combinations, you know, depending on what kind of look you're going for. So, I mean, overall, this OGX Purifying and Charcoal Detox line is pretty good. I did not use the finishing mist. I just decided against using it. And as far as the air dry cream, I think maybe I'll just probably try to use it with another styler to see, you know, if I can tell any difference on the length of time that it takes my hair to dry or not. But yeah, so overall, you know, this product line is decent. And would I repurchase? I mean, maybe not, because I have other, you know, shampoos and conditioners and, you know, leave-ins that I could use. So yeah, I want to thank you guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please go ahead and do so. I would greatly appreciate it. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video.